What a good day to begin with. So, एक कुछ अच्छे शब्द में लिखे थे. You have heard her voice touching your hearts. You have danced to her chartbusters. You have fallen in love with her melodies. And she's a National Award winner at the same time powerhouse performer. And one of the most soulful voice in Indian music industry. From the magical of मोमो के दागे से लेके मैम सवार लूँ, मैं इंट्रोडक्शन देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. With me, none other than मोनाली ठाकुर. Welcome on Big FM मैम. कैसे हो आप?
बहुत बढ़िया.
मैम,
ब्यूटीफुल.
ऐसा मैं कोशिश किया कि सम अप करूं थोड़े से शब्दों में. मैं इंट्रोडक्शन देना ही पड़ता है हमें. ऐसा होता है ना कि इट्स अ प्रिविलेज फॉर अस मैम टू बी ऑनेस्ट. हाउ आर यू डूइंग? टेल अस कि हाउ इज इट गोइंग, कैसे चल रहा है लाइफ आप लोगों का?
Life
Tell us.
is all good and please don't call me ma'am.
मोनल.
Yes, it's all good. Happy to be able to release my songs.
या एक बार फिर
Yes.
से कुछ अलग. सो आई केम अक्रॉस द ब्रीफ दैट ऑफ कोर्स वर्षा ने मुझे भेजा था कि इट्स समथिंग लाइक दिस सॉन्ग इज लाइक रियली कनेक्टेड टू यू एंड इट होल्ड्स सम पर्सनल वैल्यू टू इट, राइट?
Yes.
तो मैं जान सकता हूँ कि व्हाट वाज द प्रोसेस एंड व्हाट वाज दैट वन स्पार्क दैट केम टू यू अबाउट दिस सॉन्ग एक बार फिर? ये क्या था?
Oops. Okay. एक बार फिर का जर्नी एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा है.
ओके.
पर बना ये गाना, सुर आया 5 मिनट में ये गाना बना in my head.
ओके.
बट वो 5 मिनट तक पहुंचने के लिए काफी साल गए.
ओके.
Was a personal journey of loss and trauma and abuse and a lot of other stuff, intense stuff. And then suddenly one day, I suddenly realized that I'm having a crush on a guy.
Yeah.
So I was very happy to be able to feel that joy.
Yeah.
And उसी time पे it actually literally happened when I was actually in the bathroom before going for my performance in Kolkata.
Yeah.
And तो टॉयलेट से हम उतर के नीचे लिफ्ट में the song was done.
Okay. So, apart from right now the music, I really want to know as an artist, there is always like everybody goes through that personal loss and this trauma that there's एक certain phase हर एक लाइफ में I guess वो आता ही रहता है, कभी जाता नहीं है ऐसा मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि everybody says कि वो हर एक लाइफ में आके गया. But I believe it's a process where you are throughout the time there is some or the other thing that is happening to you in the form of universe. I don't know what exactly we
Yeah.
call that, but please tell me, how do you cope up when it comes to such spaces, when it comes to such situations, and as an artist? Yeah.
See, I don't think just जो whatever I'm talking about in the past few years, that was, I don't think वो सबके जिंदगी में होता है. उन सबके जिंदगी में लॉस होता है, बट शायद लाइफ एंडेंजरिंग टेरर सबके लाइफ में नहीं होता है. बट काफ़ी लोगों के लाइफ में भी होता है ऐसा. I think, but हाँ, day to day, all the our lives are very hectic. सब हम आपके भी सबकी, क्योंकि हम जिस era में हैं, hustling is a thing. We have to hustle. So वो सब तो we all learn how to cope with. But I think with certain intense experiences in life, but you just kind of deal with it.
Okay.
And you keep learning of how to deal with it throughout your life. So ऐसा कुछ
Okay.
बोलना difficult है.
I'm completely glad that you happened to mention that. So very first thing that is coming up to my mind कि मैम आपके iconics हम लोग सब लोगों ने सुने, हर एक लोगों ने. So when it comes to the production of एक बार फिर, आपने क्या actually पहले के आपके songs trace and tap किए? You found like you want to like go back to your times and like understand what is the songs that you happen to create, and somewhere you wanted to give it similarly a touch of that which has it. Like वो आपके आवाज में है मैम, वो तो जादू है ही. So we want to know like how was this magic possible in एक बार फिर? It's too good.
Oh, thank
Too
you.
good.
Thank you so much. It means so much because ये मेरा पहला, in a way like for the entire national audience के लिए मेरा पहला single है और independent single है. मैं outside of any label, so it's really thank you. It encourages me a lot. बाकी क्या गाने का उसके हिसाब से कोई फॉर्मूला लेके नहीं किया होएगा ये. मैं हर तरह के गाने सुनती हूँ. उस टाइम पे this is what I felt, this is what came out in the form of love, I think. Hope. And I was lucky that I had Kunal Verma and also Keshav Tewar जिसने produce किया गाना. He's a very young guy, very talented fella. And Kunal is such a fantastic writer. और I never thought कि इतनी खूबसूरती से he could express my mind. तो मैं हिंदी में उतना अच्छा मैं लिख नहीं पाती हूँ. I am under confident when it comes to writing in हिंदी. क्योंकि वो मेरा फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज था नहीं, तो मुझे पता है कि मैं ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स करूँगी, तो मैं कोशिश करने से भी डरती हूँ. सो कुणाल को पता था. कुणाल हैड आल्सो बीन अ फ्रेंड, सो ही न्यू द बैक स्टोरी ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग कि यहाँ तक ये महसूस करने के लिए फिर उस महसूस के बाद ऐसा कोई सुर निकलने के लिए what my journey has been.
Yeah.
So when I told him, I gave him the brief that this is the thought, उसने फटाक से लिखा और ऐसा लिखा कि जान डाल दिया गाने में. So yeah, and उसके बाद केशव, this young guy, he was very much instrumental in. I mean, his melody is not a very new age melody, although it's an evergreen. I think that's in that space, yeah, for us Indians.
Correct.
So he tried to experiment with the production, the sound, the sonics of this song is quite vintage yet modern. You know, keeping the modern sonics.
Yeah, I was about to come there itself because when you say, Monali, like you happen to come from this commercial side of music, and ये independent space में evergreen वाला वो sound देना, I mean, all kind of genres you have covered, I'm sure. When it comes to this kind of energy, how do you adapt, like when it comes to personal experience, your own work, and any of the work that you have done so far? So, what was the production about? Like, आपको ये कहाँ से उस स्पार्क के बारे में जानना चाहते हो? जैसे आपने कॉन्सर्ट में बताया कि आप कहीं पे गए थे, तुरंत वो स्ट्राइक हुआ आपको ये गाना. ये प्रोडक्शन में कैसे आया बाद में आगे?
Music production.
Yeah.
See, music production is more about the sound. वो जो melody है, जो लिखा हुआ thought जो है, उसके हिसाब से. So अभी हर तरीके के genres, and I'll also be doing it. R&B I love. I'm gonna be doing that. I'll be doing other romantic songs, like direct romantic songs, and whether it's Afro, whatever. Every genre I'll cover because I am जो मैं सुनती हूँ बहुत डाइवर्स है. So मुझे जो पसंद है मैं उसको, yeah. So independent का मजा ही वही होगा. फिल्मों में तो दूसरों के thoughts का मैं करूँगी, but when I am free to do so, because I think the next ones will be the next independent tracks are very much different. The rest of the songs बहुत अलग sound है उनका. So but इस गाने का whatever was asking, I think all three of us in the audio, हम लोगों ने पता नहीं वो any song that has ever worked for us, no, वो एक seamlessly सब ना ऐसे seamlessly flow करते हुए contribute कर देते थे उस गानों में. So whether it was Sawalu, whether it was I mean if you think of it, most of the songs it has to be seamless.
Yeah.
Or for the production also, this young guy, it was very seamless, and I think it was a very nice approach. कि थोड़ा उसको vintage वाला sound दे, but we also keep it sonically a bit modern. So पहले actually इस गाने के जो vocals है वो I'm going to drop another version of it.
Nice.
Where it'll be like a complete vintage vocals. And
You're aware, like your songs and so many AI versions are out there.
really?
You must have come across any of the versions of.
I'm very lame here with social media. Like this.
My question again. So there is this. I'm sure you must be knowing voice morphing that is happening out there. So काफी टाइम ऐसे हो रहा है कि musicians के पुराने गानों को लेके नए पुराने voices को लेके नए गानों को उनकी आवाज में बना रहे हैं बार. This is happening with the times of AI. I'm sure everybody is aware of this.
I'm scared of AI because of this. There's like violates in every possible way.
मैं देखो आप
हर कोई AI के बारे में पूछ रहा है आजकल तो goodness.
I believe emotions won't be replaced. I'm sure like that's a human touch that every artist has. But with the rising this AI thing is happening, as a musician, see, I know like it's a very neutral thought कि हर कोई अपनी जान डालता है, emotions डालता है. It's a human thing when it comes to art. AI शायद से उसको शायद से सिर्फ replica कर पाएगा, थोड़ा सा similar कर पाएगा. But what do you think the artificial intelligence that is around us, you really think it can be morphed? Audio, गाने, आगे जाके nowadays lot of techno people, like कितने techno parties हो रहे हैं, आसपास सिर्फ लोग वही concert कर रहे हैं. You have seen the gap. I'm sure like you must be aware कि किस तरीके से बाहर लोग आजकल के बच्चे ज़्यादा करके techno music or like psychedelic music, they're going into that. So lyrical part and the main Bollywood and the main old school, music has been like a little bit on the other side. What do you think about that?
No, I'll tell you why. Okay, हम इंडिया की बात करें. Let's go to the other part of the other hemisphere of the world. Over there, they are actually repeating. Think of Dua Lipa. All of these artists, वो लोग actually पुराने beats को वापस ला रहे अपने तरीके से.
Yes.
So music सब कुछ बन चुका है, कुछ नया नहीं बन रहा है. टेक्नो भी था पहले.
Correct.
सारे repeat होता है. It's like a thing that comes back.
Yeah.
Bell bottoms were obsolete, and then they came back at some point of time.
Correct.
So it's always like it comes back.
It's a circle.
Yes, it's a circle. I like techno as well. Psychedelic. It's all about because see, उनकी उम्र वैसी है शायद. They're in that phase. That's why they're listening to that. And then they will be in another phase where they'll be very peaceful and they wouldn't want to listen to that.
True.
So that is, every human has different sides to them.
I completely like love the space that every global music has. Like I came across one artist called Behram Ji. So he's a Kurdish singer, and it's a global fusion song. तो उसके lyrics मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आते, लेकिन it gives me some sense of peace, which even any other song won't give me that. You know, there are certain types of song that is in the world. Again, when it comes to this, एक बार फिर मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैम आप कुछ बोलना चाहते थे? You were about to say.
So like when you say this, like because probably that's their age that they're doing, but they're also gonna be going for your say they would also wanna listen to Fix You, which we had also been listening to, and it's continuing.
Correct.
That's the beauty of music. So I don't think that kuch aisa.
No, because I mentioned this artificial intelligence. There is a lot of artificial music that is coming out there. So I always ask this question to an artist कि क्या आपको लगता है कि ये कुछ
अच्छा, उसको तो आप डाल दो ऑर्गेनिकली, देखते हैं कितने स्क्रीन्स आते हैं, क्या होता है अगर एल्गोरिथम के साथ हम ना खेले, हाँ डाल देते AI के बलबूते पे. Let's see if they come for concerts or not, if they can pull and have a 2.5 hours or 3 hours 4 hours. Forget that, 1 hour और half an hour pull करते हैं कि नहीं.
करेक्ट नहीं पॉसिबल नहीं है.
अगर AI से गवाओगे तो नहीं होगा वो, because वो छुएगा नहीं ना, वो मशीन है.
करेक्ट.
You cannot have emotions, and art is about emotions. Completely about that. So other stuff you can touch through a software, through your artificial intelligence, all these things. But the emotion you cannot. For that you need humans and living other forms of other species also, for that matter.
Right. With the time, एक बार फिर के बारे में बात कर रही थी with emotions. I really want, like, to the people who are watching us and listening is, please दो शब्द हो जाए उस गाने के.
Sure.
Yeah.
I hope that people also start singing. I would like to know वो कैसे इस गाने को interpret करते हैं. I'm waiting to hear that from people. That हाँ, okay. क्या बताए हम देखे न थे कितने दिनों से आईने, तुमको सोच कर सजने लगे, हंसने लगे तन्हाई में, फरमा रहे हैं आपकी तारीफ में क्यों शायरी, कभी तो गौर कीजिए, तुमको देखो सारा दिन किस तरह आ गया है दिल, एक बार फिर आया है किसी पे यारो दिल, हाँ जी हाँ आ गया है दिल, एक बार फिर.
This is my dream come true that has happened, man. क्या बात है. Thank you so much, Monali, for being this always very honest with the your voice has very great texture, very honesty, very magical, I must say. हर betrayal से लेके, हर breakup से लेके, हर प्यार की हर एक love story, सब मैम आपके गाने सुने हैं मैंने वो टाइम भी. I wouldn't deny the fact, to be honest. But thank you so much for being on Big FM.
Pleasure.
Means a lot.